Alright, make sure you have watched the video where we did hexadecimal to binary conversion. I'll be taking that example and now doing hexadecimal to denary conversion. Okay, now I'll actually just take the last example we had done in the last video. So we have, let's say, this example of f7. Okay, let's say we have this example and we want to convert it into denary. The first step is actually going to be the same as the one that we did in the last video. We will first and foremost try to convert it into binary. Okay, so let's just copy that. Okay, so since we have already done that, so this is what you do. You take the hexadecimal number, find its binary like we did in the last video, and then use that binary to then convert it into denary. Okay, so, and you know that process which was covered in the second video, where we have to write down the registers, of course, 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. Okay, and then I'll just copy the the sequence of ones and zeros starting from the left. 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. You can see that I've just copied this pattern of ones and zeros which we found by converting f and 7 respectively into their own binary sequences, combining them in order, and then finding this binary of this hexadecimal number. You use that binary, write it down against the powers of 2, and now collect, of course, the respective powers which have a 1 beneath them. So 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2 and plus 1. Alright, so yeah, so 128 plus 64, again we'll just add it like that. Remember, we are not allowed to have a calculator. So 128 plus 64 is going to be 192. 192 plus 32 is gonna be 192 plus 32 is going to be 224. It's going to be 224, and then 224 plus 16 is going to be 130 and 230 and 240. And then 240 plus 4 going to be 244. 244 plus 2 is going to be 246, and 246 plus 1 is going to be 247. You don't have to, of course, do the addition like this. You can just directly add them together. It's just, I'm just trying to show you that you are required to be doing the addition yourselves and not have the calculator with you. Okay, so 247, this is the denary conversion of that hexadecimal number. All right, so yep, this is how you would do it. These are the steps. You write down the hexadecimal digits, write down their respective binary, combine their binary representation together, and then just simply convert it into denary. Okay.